Egyptian children with disabilities can now enjoy playing the walking piano after the Chinese embassy in Egypt donated the big instrument to a local non-governmental organization for children with special needs. The walking piano, also known as the big piano and floor piano, is an oversized electronic keyboard. The big piano is played as the user taps feet on the keys to make sound, merging dance, music, and play. The 8-meter-long floor piano was built especially for the Abwadna Foundation for the Arts of Children with Special Needs, and is the first of its kind in Egypt. Yang Ronghao, cultural counselor of the Chinese embassy in Egypt and director of the China Cultural Center in Cairo, delivered the piano to the foundation on Tuesday.
这样的特殊的钢琴呢，它和这个一般的钢琴还不太一样，它有助于呢。吸引这个更多的特殊天赋儿童的兴趣，培养他们的艺术感知，会增强他们的艺术能力和艺术修养。
النهارده الحقيقه الفرحه مش سايعاني، عايزه اقول لهم شكرا، عايزه اقول لهم العلاقات المصريه الصينيه الجميله اللي بتحصل ده